All right, good morning, guys. What's going on? Happy Wednesday here. It feels like a Tuesday, but it's a Wednesday anyways. All right, so let's just check out what's going on with SPY and QQQ for the morning. So far, yeah, we're up in the pre-market. QQQ having a little bit of trouble with 343 area. Gapped up a little bit, filled the gap, and we're back at 341. I expect some type of relief rally today. You have a doji. Yesterday ended like a double bottom bounce, 334. It's funny that the Q in pre-market yesterday hit 334 and intraday 334 and then bounced right off. So definitely some bull support here, on the daily chart. The only thing that concerns me, as I mentioned yesterday, is the MACD has flipped over to the negative side. That's pretty apparent here. It looks like there's not a ton of catalysts in the market today. I mean, hopefully Biden doesn't speak for the bulls because the bulls definitely like it when he does not speak. So let's see. My best guess today is that, yeah, we get a little bit of bounce. Perhaps, we finish near yesterday's high, about 344. It looks like we will get there pretty quickly, or potentially 346 area. The bulls definitely stepping in at the 334 area and avoiding any catastrophe going on downside. But if there's bad news in the market today, it's going to be really interesting to see if that 334 holds. Now, last check, I did see oil started to go up, and also metals. Gold started to shoot up a little bit as well. So it's pretty interesting what's the dynamics going on in the market today. So, cash heavy, look for the right setups. Today might get really, really choppy, seeing where the market really wants to go. But I do expect some type of bounce. Now, tomorrow pre-market, you do have Moderna reporting their earnings as well. So I'm kind of bearish on here. I'm not sure I'll play it or not, but Moderna looks pretty good here in the pre-market. A lot of insider selling is very suspect to me. Also, BABA is, reporting their earnings as well tomorrow pre-market. This is just one ugly chart from any perspective, but you do have a head and shoulders pattern here. I did read some articles that it is expected that they release some pretty dire fourth quarter report. So if the market reacts to it, then yeah, I can see that really testing the $100 psychological level here. So that's BABA. And of course, my favorite media stock is FUBO, and FUBO does report here today in the after hours. All right, it hit a 52-week low just yesterday afternoon at $7.92 or so, or $7.95, and jumped up and hit about 830 here in the pre-market. There might be a little bit of hype and volume today going in today with the small cap. Definitely, I think at this rate that they're obviously very undervalued. David Gandler, the CEO of FUBO, always does a very good job in presenting himself and presenting his the quarterly report. I do expect them obviously to beat in terms of estimates go. FUBO is still a young company, so I don't expect them to be cash flow positive just yet. But their subscriber base and viewership should be going up, especially with FUBO TV Sportsbook. All right. So with that being said, that's all for me today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.